Hey guys, welcome to Michelle channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make Nagasari. Nagasari is a white cake made from sago, coconut milk, rice flour, and sugar that is later wrapped in banana leaves. Until now, Nagasari is one of the most popular traditional cake that is always on the market. Alright, let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll need Saba banana for stuffing, peeled and cut into 3 cm. We only need to use 5 bananas. Let's put about 100 grams of potato starch into the bowl. Next is 250 grams of rice flour. Oh, and by the way, this is the first time I'm showing it to you guys, my traditional Indonesian cakes. I think traditional cakes may be considered by some people of making it difficult. But the fact is that not all traditional cakes are difficult to make. Mix well potato starch and rice flour with coconut milk. Cook continuously while stirring until it thickens half cooked, then turn off the fire. Now it's banana turn. Peeled and cut into 2 cm. We only need to use 5 bananas. After you finish cutting bananas, you can add to the saucepan. And then add sugar, salt, or pandan leaves if you have one. Cook until bubbling while stirring so that the dough doesn't burn at the bottom. After that, take one piece of banana leaves that has been cut into pieces, add the cooked dough, put a piece of banana in the middle, then wrap the dough tightly and fold the ends. Continue the rest. Steam everything until cooked. Let's try to look at Nagasari. It's really easy, simple and delicious too. You should try one at home. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests, please let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye bye.